factorise this quadratic, so it's going to be it's x squared, so I'm going to have a bracket x in both of them, because that will give me my x squared bit. And I've got to get 30, so I can either have 1 and 30, or 2 times 15, or 3 times 10, or 5 times 6. I quite like doing that. And I've got to get 7 using these somehow. I've got minus 30, so one is going to be plus and one's going to be minus. That's going to be the one, isn't it? Because that means I can get a 7 between those. And so it's going to say plus 7x. I want the biggest one to be positive, so it's plus 10 and minus 3. When I've done it, I want to get these two marks. Just check. Because me x squareds minus 3x's plus 10x's is plus 7x's, and then minus 30. That's great. Factorise this. X goes in both of them, so I can take out an x and get y plus 2. Okay, that's all right. Hence hence means I need to use this. So I'm going to add 2x to both sides. So I get xy plus 2x's are 3y plus 15. Hence I need to use that. I'm factorising that to get x lots of y plus 2 equals 3y plus 15. I want to make x a subject, so I need x on its own. So x equals, I've got to get rid of the y plus 2, so I need to divide both sides by y plus 2. And I get 3y plus 15 over y plus 2. Good. Lots of algebra here. I need to solve these simultaneous equations. Well, I've got equation 1 and equation 2, and I'm going to make it so that the x's are the same number. So I'm going to take equation 1 and multiply it by 2, which gives me 6x's minus 4y's equals minus 42. I'm going to take equation 2 and multiply it by 3, because then I've got 3 lots of 2x's, 6x's, plus 3 lots of 5y's, 15y's, equals 3 lots of 5, 15. Just make sure I do it every term. And now I've got 6x's the same, so I can see what's the difference between these. And what I'm going to do, if I call this second one, so if I call that equation 3, and this one equation 4, if I do equation 4, take away equation 3, so the bottom one take a top one, I'll get 6x's, take away 6x's, nothing. 15y's minus 4y's, that'll be 19y's, equals 15 minus negative 42 would be the same as 15 plus 42 is 57. And so y equals, divide both sides by 19, 3. And then I need to find out what x is. So I'm going to take it, it's probably easiest to I'll put it into the first one. So 3x is minus 6 equals minus 21. That's taking that 3 and just putting it into that equation there. And that will give me 3x's are, add 6 to both sides, minus 21. That's naught, that's minus 21. I've got to add 6, that'll be minus 15. And so x will equal minus 5. So x is minus 5, y equals 3. I've solved that equation. It's done.